Friends, today we are going to learn two-way data binding in Angular CLI. Here we are using ngModule Directive, which allows us to easily achieve data binding in two directions, from the view to the component and from the component to the view. Let's see in HTML and a component file. Here I am creating one string. Within the double curly bracket, I am assigning this variable and creating input tag. Let's see the output. Here if I enter anything in text box, it won't affect the title. Here I am using ngModel square bracket within circular bracket ngModule models. See here, if I enter anything in input button, it will display it here. This is the two-way binding method. Okay. Thank you for listening this video. Subscribe for more videos.